The check engine light came on in the vehicle, so I began diagnosing the issue. To start, I connected a scan tool to check for any stored trouble codes. The scan revealed two specific codes, P497 Evaporative Emission System Low Purge Flow and P145C Evap System Purge Flow Malfunction. With these codes in mind, I turned my attention to the evaporative emission Evap system, which is responsible for preventing fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. After a thorough inspection of the system, I didn't find any visible issues, such as disconnected hoses, leaks, or blockages. At this point, I decided to monitor the Evap system's performance using live data from the scan tool. The live data showed that the Evap purge solenoid valve, an essential component that regulates the flow of fuel vapors to the engine, was not operating within the manufacturer's specified parameters. This meant that the valve wasn't functioning correctly. To confirm the issue, I conducted a vacuum test on the Evap purge solenoid valve. First, I disconnected the vacuum line from the valve and connected a vacuum gauge to it. Then, I applied vacuum to the valve to see if it would hold pressure as it should. The valve failed this test. It was unable to maintain the required vacuum, which indicated a failure in its internal mechanism. At this point, I had definitive evidence that the Evap purge solenoid valve was faulty and needed replacement. To resolve the issue, I replaced the Evap purge solenoid valve with a new one. After completing the repair, I cleared the trouble codes from the vehicle's system and performed a road test to ensure everything was functioning properly. During the road test, the check engine light remained off and no fault codes returned. This confirmed that the repair was successful and the vehicle was now operating as it should. This process highlights the importance of accurate diagnostics and following proper testing procedures. The Evap purge solenoid valve must function correctly to ensure the Evap system can do its job of controlling emissions. If the valve doesn't operate within specifications, it can lead to increased emissions, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential drivability concerns. By replacing the faulty valve and verifying the repair, I ensured the vehicle met emission standards and would perform reliably for the driver.